Hey guys, Chuck here with Fishing Pleasures, and I'm in Indiana. I moved. I'm not in Michigan anymore, so we're gonna see what happens. Right now we got a current temperature of 84 degrees. Now before I go, I do want to try this spillway back here, just out of curiosity. Put this Watsit Jig on there. I got a Watsit Jig in here, right there. Let's toss this little guy down in there and see what happens. It's gonna cast him right down on the edge there. I can see him. It's a chartreuse color. It's a good. Oh, we had a fish there. We had a fish right there. I don't know how well you could see that or if you could see that, but we had a fish briefly. I don't know if you felt the hook, so we're going to try it again. Another one bit it. Okay, so we had 2 bites. 2 fish, 2 bites. Let's try it again. It wasn't a very good cast that time. Alright, let's cast it back in there a little ways. There we go. We had 2 fish hit it. I don't know what kind they were. There's a couple of fish back there interested. Oh, we had a 3rd bite right there. A 3rd bite, folks. These guys are biting it in here in this little spillway. That's where the fish are. Oh, there, we got a fish. We actually got a fish. Finally. And it's this little bluegill right here. Got him on the Watsit Jig. That's a pretty looking fish. Look at that. Shiny. The Watsit Jig got us a fish right there. See you later, little buddy. Kind of a drop. He'll be okay though. Bluegill are resilient. Alright, finally got it. First fish of the day on this Watsit Jig right here. Let's get right back at it. See if we can catch another one. Got a 2nd fish. Look at that. Well, he came flying up here. Ooh, this one's a different species. We have us a green sunfish. What a beauty. Green sunfish on the Watsit Jig. Look at that guy. Nice looking fish. Alright. See you, buddy. It's not that big of a drop, maybe 10 feet. Well, this is this is what we call too overgrown. Can't fish that. Might be able to find a fish down here. I don't know. There's a little bend right there. Be a good spot to try anyways. Down the corner, smell somebody smoking weed around here. You can smell it. Go down the bridge. Right here's the bridge. We'll just go right next to it. Drop this over the side and see what happens. And we got a fish from the tiny little creek spillway. What do we got? This is a green sunfish. Very common creek fish. That's a pretty one. Alright, back in he goes. Well, that last little one was off camera, but I got a picture of him. Just a tiny green sunfish. Nothing crazy. Just a little guy. Smallest fish of the year so far, actually. Oh, another one grabbed it right there. This is about the same size here. Just a tiny little green sunfish out of the creek. Very, very tiny. Look at that little guy. Right back in there. Alright, let's get right back down there again. See if there's any more around. Got another one. Holy cow. Oh, this is a new species right here. Well, a new one for today. I think I've caught this species before. Looks like a little creek chub. There he goes. Got another little fish. Oh, it's another one of those that looks like a creek chub. I think that might just be a little creek chub right there. Head right back in. That one came right out and grabbed it. And this one is a little green sunfish right here. A green sunfish. There we go, another fish for the day. So we have green sunfish and what appears to be creek chubs down here. Pretty interesting. Never fished here before. First time here. And we got another fish. And this one I think is the tiniest, yep, the tiniest of the day right here. This is a little tiny green sunfish. Look at that. I'm surprised that fit in his mouth, to be honest with you. There we go. Right back in there. Closer you are to that hole over there, the better it seems like. Let's see if we can get it right down in there. Well, got that dead weed right there in the middle. Right, hanging right over it. That's gonna be tricky. Whoops, that was a little aggressive. Got a fish though. And it's another green sunfish. Alright. I think we've caught enough of these guys today. That's another one. They're pretty fish. I mean, you know, green sunfish is a pretty fish. Take a picture of what we're catching them on here for Instagram too. Got some birds down there. We got this wire here, and then we got that plant over there. I mean, it's not the easiest place in the world to fish. Well, we had a bite there, and I'm pretty sure that was probably another green sunfish, I would imagine. Yep, grabbed it right away. Seen him swipe at it. I watched him swipe at it. We have here another green sunfish. That one's got some pretty orange on it right there. There you go, buddy. Right back in. As soon as I throw them back in, most of them seem to go underneath this bridge that I'm standing on. Fish came out and grabbed it. And what do we got here this time? Well, wouldn't you know it, guys? It's another green sunfish. Alright. Caught a bunch of these little guys today. Nothing of significant size, but definitely numbers. Yep, got another fish just that quickly. And this one's also a green sunfish right here. A green sunfish. Huh. Well, I think we've pretty much fished out everything in this spot here, so time to head back. Well, that was interesting. Got quite a few fish just from that one little hole down there. I mean, I'm in the middle of town, you know, buildings and gravel pits and stuff all around, and that's where I'm catching the fish. That's interesting. Alright. I'm gonna head back over here to the main spillway and If we catch something else, great. If we don't, we're gonna pack it up, I think. There's some kind of neat looking clouds there above the gravel pit. Well, I fished the big lake and I didn't get any bites. And then I came to the little spillway creek and I caught a bunch of green sunfish. You never know where the good spots are gonna be. Well, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Well, I gave the fish a rest on this spillway. I went around back further down the creek. We caught a few under the bridge. I figured I'd come back here and see if I could get another one after shooting the outro here. So, if I get another one, this will be post outro. We got another one. That one's a little bigger. This one, oh, it's a bass, guys. Check this out. The first bass of the day. Check it out, guys. A little, let's see, is he a largemouth? Yeah. A little largemouth bass on the Watsit Jig. That's a nice surprise. Yeah, right there. Just a little bass. Alright. Well, see you later, little guy. Right back in the water. Oh, whoa. I'm stuck in the weeds now. It is. I lost it. I can't get down there. Well, I guess that's it for the day.